Katie, what are we doing today? Yeah? High five. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm with the fam. I got my mom, got Rachel, I got Katie, we got Mary, Brian, and then the new addition is Charlotte over here. We're just a bunch of vegans and we're going to do a taste test today with the brand new OATLY. Brand new here in the United States. And we got several flavors. I think the packaging looks really good. It's hot in here, so we're going to get to it so it doesn't melt.
What are the flavors? Did you say
Okay,
that?
so we have the mint chip. We have the strawberry. We have chocolate.
Yum.
Coffee, for all you coffee lovers. Oat, which I think is just like a plain. And then vanilla. So let's just go ahead and start with oat because it's OATLY. By the way, I love the packaging. Looks pretty cool. And this is, it's vegan, gluten-free. That's made with oat base. Now these are gluten-free oats. Let's just go ahead and open it. 27, 32, 46, 8. Your lucky numbers. Ooh, we got lucky numbers there.
I like that it's covered, so
Yes.
nobody can go and tamper it.
Nobody's gonna go tamper your ice cream, Mom.
No one's gonna lick it and
Yeah.
Let's open it right up. So we think we solved the problem of doing lots of dishes for spoons. We got one scooper that is going to go in. Oh, Charlotte, you were being so good before we started. All right. Oh, it's so creamy. Just going right in there. It just, okay, here we go. Mom.
Thank you.
Okay.
Boy, is that creamy.
Okay, so Mom's already
I'm
got
excited.
a review for it before we're ready. All right, guys, let's go ahead and try this out. Mom?
It's really creamy.
okay, little bit.
It is. Mmm.
That's good.
It's like,
Tastes like whipped cream.
yeah.
This tastes like whipped cream.
Wow.
You could put this on top of something
The
else.
texture is
and-
so creamy.
You didn't have any. I'm sorry.
So creamy.
And Wegman sauces?
Yeah. 1 pint. It's like what? $5.99 for one of these?
That's good. I like it.
It is.
Do you like it, Katie?
Here. You okay there?
Yeah, I just choked on it. I can't believe I choked on
She's
it.
choking on
Choking
creamy
on
ice
creamy
cream.
That's how creamy it is.
Do you like it, Katie? Yeah. What do you think? Should we try vanilla next? Yeah. All right, we're gonna try vanilla. All right, on the top of this one it says, may we introduce you to Julie, our dietitian. She was actually on vacation when we made this particular product. I like that.
Was there like a picture of her?
Yeah, there's a picture of Julie. She was their dietitian.
Is it all white?
Well, they're not all gonna be white.
The
Yeah,
the chocolate won't be white. If it is, it'll be a funny chocolate.
What's wrong,
Every
little girl?
time. It's because Mommy's trying to eat.
Every time Mary eats, she
She's
wakes
like-
up and cries.
She doesn't want mom.
And today is our anniversary too.
Oh, it is. You guys got married. I missed
Was
it.
I supposed to do that? Yeah.
No, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. This is vanilla.
This is just too
Oh,
good.
that's so good.
I know. This is too good.
It tastes like summer. Summer as a kid. There it is, right there.
It tastes like.
This is the best ice cream I've had.
You're one of the most critical from ice cream, and I can say this is one of my favorites. Brian is also another critical.
Is it vanilla bean?
I like
No,
it.
it's just
Wow.
vanilla.
I love
like
it.
that one, Katie?
Texture is really good.
It's got like the little
Did
bean
you try the
things
new
in it.
vanilla?
Looks like really good.
It probably has
You tried the vanilla one?
No? You want to try that?
Oh,
Try
that
the
is
vanilla.
so
It's real good. What? You love your mom?
She loves
She
it.
loves
Love
Oh.
it.
You can say it right to the
Say
camera.
loud and proud.
I love it.
She loves it. I do too. I love it too.
Wow,
Yeah.
no cow.
Wow, no cow.
Wow, no cow. That's what it says on these. Okay, so we've got these two out of the way. We're gonna go with the coffee now. Not all of us do coffee. Can you? Is there actual coffee in here?
Yeah, there is. I looked.
Okay, there's coffee in there. So who's not doing the coffee?
Me and Katie.
Okay, so 3 of us aren't doing coffee, so that's more for Mom and Rachel. And what's this one say? Congratulations. You are one of the lucky individuals to receive this limited edition signature product lid. Okay, well, we're opening it. Look at that. It looks nice and creamy. Smells like coffee. Go for it.
Oh, it's good.
Is it? Tastes like coffee?
Oh,
I'm assuming.
Here, I'll feed you.
it's delicious, isn't it?
Mmm.
Isn't it good?
That's really good.
Mm.
You like it?
So we got 3 yeses for the coffee. I'm gonna go wash the coffee off of these real quick. It's on.
So far, I've liked them all.
Yeah, me too.
Not every time have I done that.
We're gonna go with strawberry. What do you want, strawberry? Yeah. Oh, our sustainability manager, Caroline, would appreciate it if you would dispose of this carton and this wrapper in the proper recycling bins. We want to be sustainable here.
Ooh, that's a pretty color.
And you can tell it's starting to melt. It's hot out. But look at that. Nice and creamy.
What
Again,
is that, Katie?
look at that. It just goes. It just sinks right in. Sure, Mom wants that big scoop right there.
Oh, I gotta wait.
Yeah, you gotta
I
wait.
don't want to wait. It's too good.
Katie likes some strawberry.
Good, Katie. Like strawberries. Katie has her own strawberry plant. Don't
You
you,
do.
Katie? Mhm.
Strawberries, tomatoes,
Right.
green beans.
All right, strawberry it is. Let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Man, they really made a home run with this ice
Yeah.
cream.
The texture is just amazing. It's so creamy
And everyone
and
who
light
tried-
and airy
Oh,
and smooth.
This is my favorite so far.
Strawberry.
That's so good.
I don't normally like strawberries,
Isn't
but
that good?
I'm gonna say I like this.
It's so blended and whipped perfectly and frozen and served up in these delicious pints.
I like to have it on hand so if my kids come over,
Use
they
the
can
right
have an
side.
ice cream. I wouldn't share
It's
this.
the right side of the spoon.
You like it, Katie?
What's everyone think? Does everyone like that?
I like it.
No.
Do you like it, Mary?
I like it.
Katie, what do you think?
Like it too.
You like it
Is
too?
it your favorite so far? What's your
Yeah.
favorite one so far? You had vanilla, oat, and that one.
What's your favorite so far?
You like that one the best?
Strawberry.
I like them
Does
all.
it taste like your strawberry plant?
Okay.
I
It's,
can't
it's
give
really
it a favorite. I like them all.
it's really hard to come up with a favorite when they all taste this good. We're going for the mint chip.
What?
It says got no nuts, so I can bring it to school for her too.
Yeah, there's no
Yeah,
nuts.
perfect,
Allergy free.
yeah.
100% vegan right on there. It says 100% vegan. Why are we vegan?
Because the animals are my friends.
Yes, animals are her friends.
Is it green?
It's not green. It's white. Mint chip. All right, here we go.
Well, you got strawberry in there.
Do you want the rest of that strawberry?
Well, you don't want to mix it.
Mom. Being
Well, the
moms.
strawberry.
Moms.
Well, you won't be able to tell the
That's
difference.
the mom that will literally eat all of it.
I know. Oh, there's nice. Oh, wow. Okay.
Hey,
So there's.
you didn't give it to me. Oh wow, there it is.
No, you got him in there.
Okay,
Look at that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
she saw it in there. There's some really big chunks of chocolate. Look at that.
What she did?
Oh, I can smell the mint just like coming right off of here. Let's get one of
Oh, you
those.
can. Yeah,
What's
Yeah.
wrong?
Brian, you like mint chocolate chip?
Yeah.
it's one of his favorites.
Yeah, I remember that as a kid. You liked the mint chocolate chip.
We had black raspberry vegan ice cream on vacation.
Black raspberry.
Yeah, it was good.
Did it have chunks of chocolate in it too?
No.
Because that would be good. Let's try this.
Ready?
It smells really minty, so.
Mmm.
That's my new favorite.
Again, it's bringing me right back to being a kid
You like it?
in the summer.
You gotta wipe your mouth. Or go. Mmm, that's good.
Except for I'm a lot older now and there's little kids that are related to me. Yeah, that's good. Those chocolate chips are good. Probably got it all over my mustache. What do you think about that one, Katie? You like it? We only have one more to go. Chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Yeah, I like chocolate too. I always try to save the best for last. I don't know if this is going to be the best. I've been surprised lately, but let's go for the chocolate. It says today's weather, cloudy with a chance of sun and rain. Actually, make that sun or rain.
It's brown.
It's brown. It's not. This is not white, like we thought. It's brown. Do you like when Uncle Chris comes over and does taste tests with all of this ice cream? Chocolate. Let's go. Let's give it a taste test.
1, 2, 3.
There we go.
Let's try it, Katie.
I don't want to try.
You don't want to try
You know what? You're done?
You've done eating it.
Oh, you already
Oh,
tried
you
it.
tried it?
And I like it.
It tastes like chocolate mousse.
Ooh, that is good.
What's the bottom?
I really like it. It's delicious.
I like it, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
There's literally not one of these that I don't like. I love OATLY. I love OATLY. The milk, I use it every day. And the ice cream, is no exception. It's really good. It's like top quality.
I'm
So,
impressed. This is
yeah.
the ice cream of the future.
There you go, Oatly ice cream. This video is not sponsored by Oatly. I found it in Wegmans. Hopefully it'll be in a lot more stores soon. Everybody,
It was delicious.
Really good.
Every one of them.
what do you think, Katie? You like all this ice cream?
Yeah.
Is it your new favorite? I wonder how it would taste in an ice cream cone. Yeah?
Do you think you'd be good in an ice cream cone?
Maybe I could build a tower.
You could build a tower too, yeah. Why don't you build a tower while we close the video out? So don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you don't miss notifications. Let me know how you like this video, these family taste test videos, and I'll see you guys soon when we have something else to taste test.
Watch out for zombies.
Yeah, what she said. An Oatly tower, right?
Wow, no
Think you
tower.
can get them all up there?
That's taller than your sister.
That's
You can do it. There you go. Look at all that ice cream.
Oh.
Now we gotta put it away so it doesn't melt.
Yeah.
Wow, no cow.
Yay!